Introducing the Saramonic LavMicro U3-OA, a lavalier microphone designed for DJI Osmo Action that delivers pristine, broadcast quality sound to your videos.
One thing I love about this location is that I always love taking a break on this bridge, enjoying the scenery. As you can tell,
it features an omnidirectional pickup pattern that captures sound naturally in every direction, even when you turn your head. The 6.6-foot cable is the ideal length for use while handheld and mounted, giving you freedom of movement. An ideal microphone solution for action video commentary, vlogging, documenting live events, YouTube, and social media posts, enabling you to isolate your audio no matter the environment.
I like to sit on the bridge, listen to the peaceful, cascading waterfall, babbling brook right behind me and going right underneath me.
Just plug it in and it works every time. It's even hot swappable.
Let me tell you what we're going to do on today's trail run. First, let me plug in my microphone. All right, we're plugged in, and here's what we're going to do. You see this bend behind me?
Everything you need is included: a mic clip, foam windscreen, furry windscreen, cable strap, and protective carry pouch. With high-quality components, cable, and connectors. Lightweight, rugged, and built to last, the LavMicro U3-OA is ready for all your adventures and won't slow you down. Saramonic LavMicro U3-OA lavalier microphone for the DJI Osmo Action.